So three, two, one. Hello there. Welcome back, guys. Let's do the daily review. But the thing is, right now I'm so in stress. I the boss, where I'm heading to a job. The boss says you need to resign, or I will terminate you. And I'm like, okay, why? Like why? And he's like, we can't afford to hire someone who we need to teach, and we need to hire experienced person. So I'm like, fucking shit. On 23 August, like nearly a 1 month, after 1 month we'll start making $1,000 at least. But for till 1 month, I need to manage somehow to make the difference of 20,000 INR, which is what the salary is, like $200. So what I'm thinking right now, that is, I'm extremely good in marketing, so why don't I market my own products? The trading, I don't know, is it's coming out in my mind. Shady thing is happening, but I'm just not going to give up. Okay, I have to do this. All right, boys. Even I can do one thing. I can sell the community for just 50 cents, like 50 rupees. So if I manage to, no, not 50 rupees, $1, 100 rupees. If I manage to sign up a 10 people every single day, that is, the revenue is going to be $1,000. So if I do this every single day for next 30 days, the revenue will be $30,000. So 30,000 INR. So it's pretty easy if we talk about that. If I use my marketing skill, I can manage to make anyhow. So thinking of that, but right now I came from the job to home. Now I'm just going to focus on my tasks. Today's task is a daily review. After daily review, I have to do the Sunday swings. That means analyzing the trades for the next week, and then the next task is going to be finishing the today's task. So let's read the daily review right here. Man, the bomb is going to get exploded pretty soon, man. The bomb is going to get exploded pretty soon. If if this thing got my mom died, a bomb is going to get exploded. They was just going to, what the fuck would they? I told you this and that. They're going to scold me. But it is what it is, brother. I just can't help, I just hate the job. That is why I fucking hate the job. I wasted my 4 months now. That is why I need to quickly do this trading straight. Let's do this. Let's just focus on over here. Road to $1 million. Everything works on system. Either you build your own system for every single thing, or get hired to work on someone else's system. Right now, I am in this part. I'm creating this part of my life. Okay. The highlights: when we are going to quit the job and become a full-time trader. On 23rd August 2026, within 42 days, we'll quit the job and shift to full-time trading again. When we're going to come back to break even, on 16th of August 2026, within 35 days, we'll come back to break even on our $100,000 account. Oh my god, I need to close the reminders. Just a second. There's a bunch of reminders are there. Yeah. So when we're going to go to New York on a first, look at this, on first week of November 2026, nearly 1 month 2 days, we'll travel to New York. When we are going to start making $1,000 at least, from 23 August 2026, nearly 42 days, we'll start making $1,000 at least. Let's go on a yearly schedule. So now this goal got divided to yearly. So now this is the how the output of the year looks like. At the end of the year 2026, I will be making at least $10,000 per month, at least. I will be shifted in New York and managing $1.2 million in funding. It's crazy. And we are heading towards that. Just current situation is not looking good to me, but we are heading towards that. So this is goal is got divided. This yearly goal got divided. I'm just speaking so slow because everyone is sleeping right here, so I need to speak slow. So now this goal got divided into this yearly goal got divided into the quarterly goals. Quarter one is over. Quarter two is also over. Quarter three, the comeback season, July to September. Let's click on that. Basis. So quarter three, huh? This is the output of the quarter three, which is not going to. Let's read actually. On 16th of August 2026, we'll come back to break even on our $100,000 account. On 23rd August 2026, we'll quit the job and shift to full time trading. Okay, okay. Within 43 days. Finish 28 analysis lectures in July, having the trading software for analyzing and taking the trades for each type of market conditions. Buying $200,000 funded in next account and passing in a September month. Started backtesting on 2 years of data using your own trading software. From that, 17th June to 1 November 2025 will get finished. Apply for mom dad passport for New York. Apply for quick visa for me, mom and dad. Made at least $10,000 for New York trip for on my birthday, which is on 25th November 2026, and Christmas whole month of December 2026. So, is there fucking mosquitoes right here? Probably. July. This is a July month. This is a goal of the July looks like. Okay, so we're going to go in a now this whole quarter three goal got divided into monthly. This is you can see the monthly thing, monthly goal basis on monthlies. So let's click on this month so that we can particularly focus on the July month. So let's read the July month again. We'll be having a trading software for analyzing and taking the trades for each type of market conditions. Then we'll be finishing a 28 analysis lectures. We'll be started backtesting from November 2025 till November 2026 using a trading software. Then we'll be backtesting of November 2025 will get finished. Oh my god, something happened. Started growing a $20 to $8,000 challenge. At the end of the July month, we'll be growing $20 into $1,620. If you go on the week one, oh my god, 10th is coming, 10th is coming. I'm getting stressed up. 10 to 15th lecture will get finished of 28 analysis videos. Will be growing $20 to $60. So over here today is 12th of July. Let's click on this. We haven't even started this. This is fucking shit. In morning, I woke up at morning at 5 o'clock and I started working on yesterday's goal, yesterday's tasks. Let's review the today. See. Today is 12th July. So today day is not finished. So we have to review the yesterday's day. Yesterday's day was 11th of July. So have we finished the 11th of July's tasks? Trade tracking is ongoing. No, we haven't finished yet. Have we finished the yesterday's task? I don't have time to repair that. No. Then the problem. Now actually the thing is going to come. You know why? Why? What happened? Why we haven't finished the task? Because I woke up late. I woke up extremely late. Did time passed? Yeah, we can say it did the time pass. That is crazy, you know. Haven't focused. Yeah, because I woke up extremely late and I'm so thirsty right now. Because I woke up extremely late and a whole day haven't focused, haven't need to be specific because I woke up late and that changed everything. I woke up late. Pretty much I did time pass only, you know. There is nothing. So solution. solution, how I can solve this issue now. That is completely wrong. This whole spelling is wrong now. SOLUTION. SOLUTION. So what is the solution of it now? So the solution of it, finish the tasks today and finish the task today. Bus. That's it. So we're going to finish the yesterday's task today and also today's tasks today as well. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Signing off, brother. This is what the daily review. It's just the reviewing like yesterday. Have we done the task yesterday's task or not? And also reviewing our goal plan, every single thing. Signing off, boys. Peace. This is a daily review. Sucking fucking things is coming. Fucking things is coming around. Signing off.